Okay, we are rolling.
Hello again, everybody. The next car that you've selected to view on ClassicMuscleCars.com is another, not a new arrival. It's been here for a while, but it's a car that we're finally putting on video, right, Jeremy?
It's about time.
One of the biggest reasons that it took us so long to get a video done with this car is that we had to get an interior for the car. The interior in the car took about 3 months to get. It's red, okay? They had to make it, but it's an exact reproduction of the right interior that's supposed to be in the car. Now, we put a new dash pad, we put 2 front seat covers, 2 door panels, top side, and the whole back seat and carpet and console in the car. The reason why we had to do that is red fades. This car came from California. Dry car, a lot of heat. What happens is you get windows rolled up, lock the car, sun bleaching, and especially on a red car. So that is one of the things that held us up for a while. So now you got a new interior in the car, you got new paint. One of the things I want to say about this is a 70 Formula 404-speed air car, but what is rare about these cars? The hood. The hood is fiberglass, and Jeremy's going to show you that when he comes around. They have the rubber nose on it. This one's in excellent shape. Also, it's got the original grills. They're excellent. This is a great car, folks. This car is rare and harder to find than a Trans Am. Yes, it is. And it's an extremely nice car. It's straight down the sides. There is no issues or rust on this car. The wheels have been restored. It's got the Rally 2s on it. It's got good rubber. Runs, drives, stops, steers, brakes, everything. It's detailed under the hood. Trunk is done. Jeremy's going to go through this car and show you a lot of the good things about it. The windshield has been replaced. The chrome in the back has been replated. It's just an excellent car throughout. It's a very hard car to find, and it is just a awesome looking car. You get it out. We're kind of cramped in here right now because it's winter is locked in on us big time. So we can't really move too many of our cars around, so we got cars stuffed everywhere, right, Jeremy?
We don't want to bring them outside because it's nasty out there.
Absolutely. We got, today it's like sub-zero temperatures, we got snow on the ground, and you know what, we're not going to take our cars outside. That's just the way it is. But I know there's photographs up of this car, so we decided we're going to go ahead and do the video. We would like to have it outside, and we would like to have a little bit more room. But what are you standing next to there, Jeremy? It's right in front of you.
Let's check this thing out.
32 replica Highboy Coupe, steel body golf cart. Now check that out. Is that not cool or what?
This is an awesome
drop
electric
axle,
golf cart.
independent suspension in the front. I mean, this thing is like cool or cool. Can you imagine the time that it took to build this? Not fiberglass, folks. That's all steel body. Now that's my new golf cart that I can use to drive around with next year. You know, you gotta have a cool golf cart. You know, I don't golf, but I just gotta have a cool golf cart to go around in the shows with. You know,
and
that's it, right there. I got a little 2-year-old boy, so he sits next to me and we go cruising around in the golf cart, right, Jeremy?
He loves it, man.
Absolutely. Anyway, give Ed a call, 847-526-5950. He can send you some more photographs. This is a great car. It's a great price. I guarantee you won't find another one with a 404-speed air car out there. Now, this is not the original motor. I'm just going to let you know that right now. It is a correct engine, but it's not the original one. It's gorgeously redone. This is a great investment car, folks. It's a great buy. So give Ed a call, 847-526-5950. Now I'm going to turn you over to Jeremy. He's going to give you a good tour around of this beautiful 1970 Pontiac Formula 404-speed air coupe.
Like Tony said, we got some pretty cramped quarters here right now. Let's take a look at what we got around here. We got the Charger, the Dart, Duster, right there. Rob's got the bottle of the Secret Weapon instant wax sealer he's using on the ZL1 Camaro here. And then we've got the 70 Formula 400 Firebird. Now this car is everything that a Trans Am would be, except that it's got the cool hood. We have the dual sport mirrors, fresh set of tires on the Pontiac rims, rally rims, laser straight. Let's walk around. Let's check out the interior a bit from the outside. Factory fresh interior. Brand new interior. Console, carpet, seat covers, dash pad. Headliner's looking good. Just a beautiful car and fun. Like Tony said, it's a California car. It's got the chrome tips on the exhaust. Let's take a look at the inside. Start in the back seat. Headliner is in excellent condition. Seats brandy new. And getting into the car, it's the Tic-Tac-Tac GM version. Oil pressure, water temperature, and we're looking at 53.7 something on the odometer. And as you can see, it's an AC car. And down below, the factory optional Kenwood in-dash cassette AM/FM. Hurst 4-speed shifter with a Pontiac knob. It's got the little Pontiac insignia right there. Let's go take a look in the trunk. And in the trunk we have a spare. There's a jack underneath. Nice and clean, extremely clean. It's a set of brake shoes. What else have we got here? Some kind of material for the interior, like for that. Looks like a headliner. And there's an in the trunk light. Nice and clean. Now it's time to look under the hood. Can I do this one-handed? Well, that was a two-handed operation. Let's take a look under here now. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, extremely nicely detailed under the hood. It's got an HEI distributor. Nice and clean. Stock manifolds on the exhaust and on the intake. Extremely nice. And there you have it for now. 1970 Formula 400 4-speed.